Hi guys, my name's Taylor with MarineMax of Dallas. Today I'm going to give you a brief overview of our used 2013 Sea Ray 240 Sundeck. This boat is in great shape. We received it on trade just a little bit ago. It is priced with this Sea Ray trailer as well. Great audio system, tower speakers, tower, wakeboard racks. Does have the snap-on cover as well. Very low hours. Like I said, this boat is in great shape. It's ready to roll, ready to hit the lake. Service is just done. So if you have any questions, please give us a call or come by our store and we'll be more than happy to show this boat to you. So give us a call. We look forward to talking to you.